Alright, alright, alright. Trading today was good. Got 170 prof confirmed, and going into the day we had this is NFP week. Yeah, no trading tomorrow, and then NFP is on Friday. So today we had Red News 1:30, Great British Time 8:30, New York time, which is good. We want red news for volatility. Going into the day, I was. Don't know if you can hear that. Don't know what that is. It's a blender, I think. My mum is blending up fruit. Going into the day, I was bearish. We had this one. This here is the midnight. What's it called? Midnight opening range. So from the midnight open price to 12:30 close price Eastern time. Mark that out as a blue box. Get all the gradients, and this was the first displacement. Midnight. Learnt that from ICT. The first, I don't know how to explain it. It's like the first big displacement, I guess. Yeah. So I had that marked out. The midnight open price, that black line at the bottom. And then we had this buy side liquidity up here. Is this a 1 hour high? And we had this 1 hour value gap from this bottom of this candle. Mark it up. There to there. That 1 hour value gap. Price went up and tapped the 1 hour fair value gap and took out this buy side, and it respected consequent encroachment of the midnight opening range, and didn't even just wicked into the first displacement, which was looking good for sells at the time. What time did I take this trade at? 10:06 at the time. Okay, so it manipulated here, took out that small buy side, and then started going down. The Dow, I'm pretty sure, was just going down heavy. No? Oh, the Dow was actually going up. But it's just like, I'm viewing that as manipulation to go further down, because ES had these, Thingy had it as well, Nas. Look at these equal lows. That was my target. And still hasn't even been taken out. But yeah, look at these equal lows. And then didn't even take them out there. Retail traders seeing that as support. So I want to go against retail traders, I guess. I don't know. That's not how I trade. Anyway, yeah, the NAS stocks were all down. These were all down at the time, like 2%, 1%, 0.5%. They were all down. So further confirmation of sells to me. And then we had this 3 minute. Once we took out this buy side, tapped into all this. We had this 3 minute for value gap, V-shape down, inverse, enter. My entry was 21344.50. I didn't get a great entry. 21344.50, whatever there, around there. It's 2134.75. Not that big a deal. Let me just change, because why not? And then what was my profit level? 21. I don't know. 21,300.75. 300.75 right there. So that was the trade I took. I had my stop loss here, around here somewhere. I tried to record it, but the trade was just way too quick. So it's a 1-to-1. So yeah, it's around a 1-to-1. We also had this 2 minute. Which got inversed as well. And then we had this 1 minute, which I saw tiny one get inversed. Once we inversed the 3 minute though, I wanted to see how the 1 minute reacted to it, and it hit consequent encroachment of it, this black line. Came back out, so it didn't I wouldn't have wanted to see it close. It didn't even reach the top of it. I wouldn't have wanted to see it close above consequent encroachment, and it didn't. It reacted nicely out of it. Entered there 1-to-1. Traded it on 2 macros, 173 profit. I trailed my stop. I should have been aiming for this. I don't know. I went break even like early. Like I went break even like here, I think underneath here. Trailed stop, and then I got trailing stopped out. Yeah, fine day, good trades. Could have done a little bit better by getting an extra, what, I don't know, 15 points, would have been an extra 60. So yeah, there was like a 1 minute trade, perfect. In a macro, taking it 10-0, oh, 10-10, not macro, just after. But yeah, no, I don't know what's going on, just chopping around. I don't want to be a part of that. But yeah, man, I think good day. We did have clustering of NWOGs and NDOGs up. I usually want to be trading towards them, especially the current NWOG. I would preferably like to be trading towards it, but yeah, not today. I was bearish, and we got a good setup. V-shape inversion. Can't really ask for much more. We did, Nas did take out that, so we now have an SMT with this low and this low here, but none of them have still taken out this one. So I'll mark that off. Actually, I should keep on this. But anyway, yeah, we have an inversion with that. Not an inversion, an SMT. Let me mark that out. Oh, I don't have my SMT thing. That's another one. We've got an SMT. SMT here. SMT with ES. ES took it out, and as it didn't, that is a bullish SMT. But yeah, hopefully some good. This is no trading tomorrow, so and then Friday. I don't know. We got NFP, so I'll probably target the data wicks if there is any. I'll get on at 8:30, probably on Friday. But yeah, not traded any other day this week. This was my only trade. What was the RR? How do I check the RR? RR. No, you can't. But yeah, that was my only trade. Hopefully, I can pass this account within like I don't know. Not gonna put a time limit on it, but patience is key. So yeah, cheerio, matey. Oh.